From space, Earth was once a breathtaking blue marble, a jewel of life in the vastness of space. Oceans shimmered with a vibrant, almost magical hue, reflecting the sunlight in a dance of light and color. It was a sight that inspired awe and wonder, a symbol of the delicate balance of life. Continents sprawled in greens and browns, a patchwork of forests, mountains, and deserts. Each region teemed with life, from the dense rainforests to the arid deserts, each playing its part in the grand tapestry of Earth's ecosystems. Swirling white clouds whispered of gentle winds and life-giving rain. These clouds carried the promise of renewal, nurturing the land below and sustaining the myriad forms of life that called Earth home. But that was before the impossible happened, before the world as we knew it was irrevocably changed, before Earth swelled to the size of the sun. This unimaginable transformation began slowly, almost imperceptibly, but soon accelerated beyond comprehension. Gone is the familiar blue. The oceans evaporated, the skies turned crimson, and the very essence of our planet was altered. Now Earth blazes a fiery red, a monstrous orb of molten rock and swirling gas. The once serene and life-sustaining planet has become a hellish landscape, unrecognizable and hostile. Its once familiar features are lost in a sea of fire and storms larger than entire continents once were. Massive storms rage across the surface, fueled by the intense heat and energy, reshaping the land in ways we can scarcely imagine. The transformation is complete. Earth is no longer a haven for life. The lush landscapes and diverse ecosystems have been replaced by a barren, desolate wasteland. No life can survive in this inhospitable environment. It is a crucible, a testament to the awesome power of the universe. This transformation serves as a stark reminder of the forces that shape our cosmos, forces that can create and destroy with equal measure. The Earth, once a blue marble, now stands as a fiery testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe. The first shockwave hits instantly. Gravity, this invisible force, though unseen, exerts an immediate and overwhelming impact. With its mass increased a millionfold, Earth's gravitational pull transforms into a devastating force. Imagine the planet you call home suddenly becoming a monstrous entity, its gravitational field magnified beyond comprehension. This new Earth would be a place where gravity reigns supreme, altering everything we know. The moon, once a faithful companion, would be torn apart, its fragments forming a deadly ring of debris around the bloated Earth. This ring of destruction orbits our planet, a constant reminder of the chaos unleashed by gravity's intensified grip. The serene night sky would be replaced by a chaotic dance of debris. On Earth, the very air we breathe would become an oppressive weight. The atmosphere thickens, pressing down with a force that makes every breath a struggle. The sky, once clear and blue, now hangs heavy with dense fog, obscuring the sun and casting a perpetual gloom over the landscape. The air pressure would be so intense that it would feel like living at the bottom of the ocean. The oceans, no longer able to resist the pull, rise in monstrous tides that engulf entire coastlines. Waves the size of skyscrapers crash onto the land, swallowing cities and reshaping the geography of our world. The once calm and predictable seas become a relentless force of nature, driven by the unyielding power of gravity. Coastal regions would be unrecognizable, transformed into watery wastelands. And humans? We would be crushed, our very bones unable to withstand the immense pressure. The human body, designed to function under Earth's normal gravity, would collapse under the strain. Our skeletal structure, muscles and organs would all succumb to the overwhelming force. The crushing gravity would make survival impossible, turning our bodies into fragile shells. Imagine a weight 1,000 times heavier than your body suddenly pressing down on you. Every movement becomes a Herculean effort, every breath a battle. The crushing force would make even the simplest tasks impossible, turning daily life into a constant struggle for survival. The relentless pressure would make it feel like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. That's what life under the crushing grip of a sun-sized Earth's gravity would feel like. Survival? Impossible. The planet would become uninhabitable, a barren wasteland where life as we know it could no longer exist. The crushing gravity would leave the surface littered with the remnants of what once was, a stark reminder of the power of nature's most fundamental force. The Earth would be a graveyard of its former self, a testament to the destructive power of gravity. The atmosphere, once a life-sustaining layer, transforms into a deadly shroud, suffocating all forms of life. The air, thick with volcanic ash and superheated gases, becomes unbreathable. The pressure increases exponentially, crushing anything that dares to breathe. A casual stroll now feels like diving miles beneath the ocean's surface, where the weight of the water is unbearable. And the heat. The surface temperature skyrockets as Earth's core, now 1,000,000 times larger, radiates unimaginable heat, turning the ground into a molten landscape. The once temperate planet becomes an inferno, hotter than the surface of Venus, hotter even than some stars, making survival impossible. The very lifeblood of our planet, water, becomes an agent of unparalleled destruction. Oceans evaporate in an instant, their waters transforming into a thick, scalding steam that engulfs the lower atmosphere, creating a suffocating blanket of heat. The land, stripped bare of its moisture, cracks and melts under the relentless, scorching heat, turning once fertile soil into barren wastelands. Cities, once proud testaments to human achievement, melt into molten slag, their structures collapsing under the extreme temperatures. Mountains, once thought immovable and eternal, crumble and flow like wax, their solid rock formations reduced to rivers of lava. The Earth's surface churns and bubbles, a scene of unimaginable devastation as the planet transforms into a hellish landscape of fire and brimstone. Deep within the bowels of our transformed planet, tectonic plates the size of continents now grind against each other with unimaginable force, creating seismic activity on an unprecedented scale. Earthquakes, millions of times stronger than anything ever recorded, rip through the planet's crust, reshaping its surface in the blink of an eye, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Volcanoes, once localized threats, now erupt across the globe with unrelenting fury, spewing rivers of molten lava that carve new landscapes. These eruptions release clouds of toxic ash that darken the already choked sky, blocking out sunlight and plunging the world into a perpetual twilight. The very air becomes thick with the smell of sulfur, making it difficult to breathe and creating a hazardous environment for any form of life. The roar of a planet in its death throes echoes across the globe, a testament to the sheer power and chaos unleashed by this cataclysmic transformation. The chaos isn't confined to Earth. Our planet's sudden increase in mass disrupts the delicate gravitational balance of the entire solar system. Imagine the gravitational pull of a planet as massive as the Sun. This immense force would wreak havoc on the orbits of neighboring planets. Planets would be pulled from their stable paths, sent careening either towards the Sun or outwards into the cold darkness of interstellar space. Asteroids, once content in their belts, would be flung about like pebbles in a storm, some on a collision course with other planets, including our own supersized Earth, leading to catastrophic impacts. The solar system, once a harmonious symphony of celestial bodies, would transform into a chaotic dance of destruction, with planets and asteroids colliding in a cosmic catastrophe. Could anything survive this apocalyptic transformation? It's challenging to envision life thriving in such extreme conditions. Perhaps deep beneath the surface, where temperatures are slightly cooler, some extremophile bacteria might cling to existence. These resilient microorganisms have been known to survive in the harshest environments on Earth. But what about humanity? Could we, with our advanced technology and boundless ingenuity, find a way to endure and adapt to this new reality? Imagine gigantic shielded cities floating high above the searing surface, where the atmosphere is more forgiving and life could potentially flourish. Or perhaps self-sufficient colonies deep underground, powered by geothermal energy, providing a stable and sustainable environment for human survival. It's a long shot, but even in the face of potential extinction, the indomitable human spirit and hope, however faint, persist. Our ability to innovate and adapt might just be the key to our survival. Imagine an Earth as big as the Sun. This scenario, though purely fantastical, highlights the importance of our planet's size. A sun-sized Earth would be uninhabitable, its immense gravity crushing everything in its grasp. This thought experiment underscores the delicate balance required for life. This comparison serves as a stark reminder of just how precious and fragile our planet truly is. Our atmosphere, a thin veil, shields us from the harshness of space, providing the air we breathe and the climate we depend on. Earth, in its current state, is perfectly balanced for life as we know it. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, every ecosystem plays a role in maintaining this balance. The diversity of landscapes and climates supports an incredible variety of life forms, each contributing to the planet's overall health. Our atmosphere, our gravity, our distance from the sun, all of it is just right. We reside in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are neither too hot nor too cold, allowing liquid water to exist, a crucial ingredient for life. It's easy to take our planet for granted, to forget that we are living on a cosmic miracle. Every breath we take, every drop of water we drink is a gift from this perfect cradle in the cosmos. We must cherish and protect it, recognizing the intricate systems that sustain us. The universe is a vast and unforgiving place. Beyond our protective atmosphere lies the cold, empty expanse of space, filled with dangers and uncertainties. The stars and galaxies we see are beautiful, but they are also reminders of the harsh realities of the cosmos. And Earth, for all its apparent size and strength, is but a tiny speck of dust in the grand scheme of things. In the vastness of the Milky Way, our planet is just one of billions, a fragile oasis in an endless desert. We must remember our place in the universe and strive to protect our perfect cradle in the cosmos, appreciating the unique conditions that make life possible. We are the stewards of this pale blue dot, a unique oasis of life in the vast, uncharted cosmic desert. Our duty is to protect it, not just for ourselves, but for countless generations yet to come. We must tread lightly on this Earth, for it is the only home humanity has ever known. Imagine a sun-sized Earth. Let this hypothetical image be a wake-up call, a stark reminder that we must cherish and safeguard our planet, our only sanctuary in the cosmos. There is no planet B. There is only Earth, our irreplaceable home. Let us treat it with the respect and reverence it deserves, nurturing it for the future.